Hi everyone. Given a complex number z such that z plus 1 divided by z equals 1, we're going to find the value of 1 divided by z to the power of 6. So the first trick we're going to do is just multiply both sides of our equation by 1 divided by z. So if I have z plus 1 divided by z equals 1, let's just multiply each term by 1 divided by z. And this is going to give me 1 plus 1 divided by z squared equals 1 divided by z. Now, we have a quadratic, so we can write this now as 1 divided by z squared minus 1 divided by z plus 1 equals 0. All right, let's let 1 divided by z equal big X. And we do that, we're going to get big X squared minus big X plus 1 equals 0. So therefore, what we're going to do is use the quadratic formula where your A is 1, your B is negative 1, and your C is 1. So this is going to give you X equals 1 plus or minus square root of 1 minus 4, all divided by 2. This is going to give you 1 plus or minus square root of 3i, all divided by 2. So let's write this in trigonomic form and see what we have. So basically, if you just pull out the 1/2 and let's just look at this, our R is going to equal the absolute value of Z. We'll just call this Z. And that's going to equal a square root of 1 squared plus minus square root of 3 squared. So this is going to give you, once you have the minus and the plus, it doesn't matter, it's going to square out. So that's going to be equal to 2. And then your angle is going to be tan inverse of theta equals y divided, let's just do y divided by x. So basically, your y is square root of 3 plus minus square root of 3 divided by 1. And this is going to give you plus or minus pi divided by 3. So now we can write this as this term, and don't forget we have this 2. So when we write it in our trigonomic form, we're going to have, I'm pulling out the 1/2, and then we have our R was 2, so this is going to be 2 times cosine, and our angle was plus minus pi divided by 3, plus I times sine, and we had plus minus pi divided by 3. All right. Now this just equals 1. So basically that goes away. And now we're going to look at this value. So we have 1 divided by z to the power of 6. And this is gone now. So basically what you do is you're just going to take your equation, cosine plus minus pi divided by 3 plus I times sine of plus or minus pi divided by 3, and this is to the power of 6. Now, using this, all you do is take this 6 and multiply this. So what happens when you multiply 6 times pi divided by 3 gives you 2 pi. So basically what we're left with is cosine of plus or minus 2 pi, and then plus I times plus or minus 2 pi. All right, now what's going to happen? Oh, where's my sine? Let's do the sine. Sine of plus minus 2 pi. This part here just equals 0. And cosine of 2 pi is 1 And also the cosine of negative 2 pi is 1. So this whole value is going to equal 1, which equals 1 divided by z to the power of 6. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.